टेस्ट मैचेस में दोनों ने मिलके 20 से अधिक विकेट निकाले थे श्रीलंका के। लेकिन यहाँ पर किस तरह से वो गेंदबाजी करते हैं और कितनी मदद विकेट से उन्हें मिलती है, ये देखना अपने आप में दिलचस्प होगा। फिलहाल इंग्लैंड की पारी जारी है और आज कुल मिलाकर 3 विकेट इंग्लैंड ने खोए। सबसे पहले आउट हुए थे स्टोक्स, उसके बाद पोप और आखिर में आउट हुए कप्तान जो रूट।
Well, India has done some recovery action, rearguard action, but certainly not complete because they still have 2 good batsmen in the centre, and both come from the same county, Somerset. And I'm sure that some of the names that really spark, when I say Somerset, is the West Indies great Vivian Richards. Then you have Ian Botham, and then Joel Garner of West Indies. They all played for Somerset. And both these batsmen really have the kind of ability to hang around there and keep the scoreboard up, especially with Jose Butler. Jose Butler has had his Indian visit earlier. In India, he's played 3 test matches prior to this, so he knows the wickets very well. He's been playing IPL for a long time and has had a half century in India. And versus India, he's got 1 century. That was at Trent Bridge. Of course, the match was lost by England some time back. And he's got 5 half century as well. So not to underestimate Jose Butler. But then at this point of time, what must India be thinking? 500 runs on the scoreboard for England. They're still going strong. And the wicket, as you said, Sunil, a little while ago, that the top is getting crusty, a bit powdery. As the ball pitches, you can see the puff of dust coming up. Now that's not good signs because the spinners, Bess, and you got Jack Leach. Both of them can really bowl well. And I've seen Joe Root bowling in Sri Lanka, taking 2 wickets in the second test and dismissing the entire Sri Lankan team for 130 odd runs. He too can really bowl his finger spin. So I think that's something that India should watch for, not to take the batting lightly. They have to really struggle on because the wicket has slowly started wearing. Here's Nadeem starting his fresh over around the wicket from the Patabi Raman gate end, and the first delivery is on the off stump and the batsman plays his ball against the spin into the short cover area, and no runs taken. As far as India is concerned, they're left with no reviews, as here is the next one that's taken on a half volley on the front foot audaciously. That ball is rushing to the fence. The fielder will eventually give up chase, Ishant Sharma, and the ball goes over the fence for 4 runs after few drops inside. And obviously the batsman now drawing courage, picking the ball as soon as it's released from the palm of the bowler, and realizing that he can play the ball on the front foot, converting it to a half volley, almost stepping out 3 or 4 steps outside the crease and daringly playing that shot quite imperiously for 4 runs into the long off region. So 4 runs coming on the England scoreboard. They are 505 for 6. Here is Nadeem bowling an arm ball, and the batsman once again steps out, bat pad close together, and plays the ball into short mid-on region. The ball is picked up there, and the batsman can't even step out for a single quick piece of fielding.
और इस ओवर में जो चौका लगाया बेस ने प्रेम, वो 50वां चौका था इंग्लैंड की इस पारी का। इस बीच अगली गेंद जो कि आम बॉल था, लेकिन उसे सही परखा बेस ने और पीछे हटकर उसे रक्षात्मक ढंग से खेला। 50 चौके और 5 छक्के अब तक आ चुके हैं इंग्लैंड की इस पारी में, यानी 236 रन चौकों छक्कों की मदद से बने हैं। इस बीच अगली गेंद टर्न हुई थी, लेकिन अपने स्टम्प्स कवर करके जाने दिया उसे विकेट के पीछे बेस ने। 29 गेंदों में 7 रन अब तक बनाए हैं बेस ने, जो कि अच्छे स्पिन गेंदबाज हैं इंग्लैंड की टीम के। और उनके अलावा जो लीच हैं वो भी एक प्रमुख स्पिन गेंदबाज। इस बार आम बॉल को पूरी